Here we are at the Mandarin Spectator Point. This is used on Thursday and it's your first chance to get up close and personal with the world's best drivers in their world rally cars. Used as a shakedown stage, this is very important for the drivers to fine-tune their cars on these New South Wales forest roads. Drivers will be looking to set up sway bars, suspension settings, as long as also make sure that the cars are working to their optimum performance. Used early on Thursday morning, I encourage you to get out here and make use of this amazing spectator point. Fast approach with a fast long hander down over this crest here, it's sure to be a prime spot. As always, listen to spectator marshals, stay safe in your designated spectator areas and never stand on the outside of a corner.